Hey YouTube, this is Vikas, and this time I'm back with a new tutorial on IRCTC Tatkal trick. This is about how to get your bookings done on that notorious IRCTC website. We all know, and if you have gone through it, bookings on IRCTC is a real pain. So I've come up with some tips that can help you to get ticket done faster. While booking tickets on IRCTC website, especially Tatkal ticket, every second counts, and this trick is being fast or quick enough than others. This tutorial is divided into two parts. The first is to get the station codes. This should be done 5 minutes or 10 minutes before the actual booking of the tickets. Suppose website opens at 10 a.m. in the morning and you got to have some data with you before you proceed to that website. So by getting the station codes, go to the website www.indianrail.gov.in. This is the official government website. So on that website you will find this information tab, in which you will find the nodes, which has this node view codes, okay, and it will have station codes, class codes, quota code, and station name. So just click on station codes. So it will open the station code inquiry page. Let's say, for example, I wish to travel from Dadar to Kodar on the Konkan railway. So I got to know the codes of Dadar as well as Kodar. So Dadar has two codes basically, one is for central and for western. So I'll just search for it. Okay, I know that it is DR, so I'll just note it down. Okay, my next station is Kodar. So if I search for that Kodar, KUDAL, and just hit get code, and it will generate this KUDL, because there are actually 3 suggestions, but I know that the one I wish to travel is KUDL on Central Railway. Okay, now this is the first part, and we'll proceed to the second part, that is to log into the IRCTC website, where just hit irctc.co.in and you will be on the home page of that. Just log in with your user ID and password. My favorite player is Sachin Tendulkar, so I'm just demonstrating you with his name. Okay, once I log in, I'll populate the from and to. So I'll enter from Dadar DR, that is I've just memorized the code, and then KUDL Kodal. Okay, now select the next date and then ticket type, yes, by default e-ticket, and then the quota, Tatkal quota, and then on find trains. So this generates for me a list of trains that are available on that route. So I know that I want to travel by Jan Shatabdi Express, so I'll just see the availability, see the fare, and then click on book. Then you will be directed to a personal information, as passenger information page, in which you have to populate your name, then your seat preference, and then sex, and so on, the details of the passenger who is traveling. Just have a look at this page. What we're going to do is we'll Google a site which has a simulation of the same page, and which we will be using. This has to be done actually 5 minutes before. So we'll go to that autofill page and we'll just Google for this. It's IRCTC Autofill. So the first search option which is visible, that is Magic Autofill, is called as Magic Autofill. Here you need to fill some details of the passengers, similar to the site at IRCTC. So for instance, Sachin Tendulkar is traveling, and then Rahul Dravid is traveling, and with him Sunil Gavaskar, the legend, is also traveling. So once I am done with filling the information, passenger information, I'll click I am feeling lucky, and this will generate a magic autofill. Okay, so this page is essentially a simulation wherein you will fill the data, and you will drag this magic autofill to your bookmarks bar. You need to enable it, by the way. If you are using Chrome, by default it is not visible. You have to go in settings and then enable it, and then you got to drag this to your bookmarks bar. And once you have done that, when you log into your IRCTC, then you have to just click on this autofill and you will get the whole data just you have filled in now. So once again I log into IRCTC website, irctc.co.in. then I put my login ID and my password, and then I put the station codes, and then I generate a list of trains available. I choose Jan Shatabdi, and then I am directed to this page wherein we'll use that autofill information. So I'll just click in on that autofill bookmark bar, and this will automatically fill in the details. So you saved your time in filling those details. Actually this train has a 2S coach, so there is a window and non-window seat. If it's in sleeper class, then this works pretty much fine. So just fill in the additional data, and you'll be directed to a payment gateway, that is a credit card, debit card, net banking, and so on. Just give them the money and you are done. Okay, so I hope this is helpful to you, and just enjoy. Thank you, and do subscribe.